In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a Google Photos partner. We will walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen without any guesswork. First, go to Google Photos in your web browser. Type photos.google.com into the address bar and press enter. When the page loads, you should see your usual Google Photos home view with your photos and videos arranged by date. If you land on a sign-in screen instead, that is fine, we will handle that next. Now sign in to your Google account, enter your email and password, then continue. Once you are signed in, you will be back on the main Google Photos page. You can confirm you are signed in correctly if you see your profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the page. From there, click Settings, which looks like a small gear icon in the top right area. When you click it, a panel or page opens with different sections such as Preferences and Sharing options. This settings area controls how Google Photos behaves for your account in this browser. Next, expand the section called Sharing. Click on the word Sharing to open it if it is collapsed. You should now see options related to how you share albums, links, and partner sharing. This tells you that you are in the right part of the settings for managing your partner. Within the Sharing section, click Partner Sharing. When you open it, you will see details of your current partner connection, like who the partner is and what kind of photos are being shared. This view is useful because it shows you exactly what relationship you are about to change. Now click Remove Partner and confirm. A prompt appears asking you to confirm that you want to remove this partner. Choose the Confirm option. After you do this, the partner sharing connection is removed, and you will no longer see that partner listed under Partner Sharing on this computer. If you only want to stop sharing your photos, keep watching because there is a lighter option that keeps the connection but pauses your own sharing. Instead of removing the partner completely, open the Google Photos app. When it loads, you should see the familiar photo grid. Make sure you are signed in with the same Google account that has the partner sharing connection. Go to Profile, then Photo Settings, then Sharing, then Partner Sharing. Each tap takes you deeper into the settings. At the end, you should see your current partner sharing details, very similar to what you saw on the computer. Tap More, which is the three dots icon. Then select Stop Sharing Your Photos. After you choose this, your partner will no longer receive newly shared photos from you, but the partner connection itself remains and can be adjusted later without starting over. Important to know, removing a partner does not delete any photos that either of you already saved into your own Google Photos libraries. Also, if you later want to share again, you will need to set up partner sharing again from scratch. You have now either fully removed a Google Photos partner or stopped sending new photos while keeping the link, so please give this video a quick thumbs up to help others, and subscribe if you want more simple Google Photos guides like this.